How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over our Raptor-X Visor light bar models. Now on the bottom, I have our Raptor-X TIR in an amber clear alternating style color setup. So you'll see your modules are set up in amber clear alternating, and they are not changing color. So you get the color you order, and your modules do not change color. And we do have amber, red, blue, green, and clear, solid, half-half, and alternating color setups. And we also have our Customize a Light Bar tool if you do need a custom color setup for your vehicle. Now up top here, I have our MultiColor Linear Raptor-X in a blue clear color setup. Now here you'll notice your light bar is flashing back and forth between blue and clear, which is your multicolor with our linear optic. So here I have a flash pattern programmed in Power Mode 1, and then on both of these light bars you will have dual memory. So I'll flip over to Power Mode 2 there, where I have another style flash pattern programmed, and this is one of our new combo style flash patterns. So that's our MultiColor Linear Raptor-X up top, and then on the bottom is our Raptor-X TIR, and I'll go ahead and flip over to Power Mode 2 here, where I have another style flash pattern programmed, and this is our 1-1 to 2-2 combo style flash pattern. And you will have 30 flash patterns on our TIR model and 40 flash patterns on our MultiColor Linear. Now another really cool feature, with clear being my secondary color in my MultiColor Linear Raptor-X, I'll go ahead and flip over to my other power mode here. Now I'll hold my pattern button down for a few seconds, and you'll see my light bar will go to Steady Burn Clear. So I can program Steady Burn Clear in one power mode, and then I can have my light bar flashing in my other power mode. So you can have a SIG plug operated plug-in visor light bar with flashing and super takedown capability. So that gives you a brief overview of our Raptor-X visor light bar models. Make sure to check out the product pages for the full product demo, and also use our interactive players to fully demo your lights before you buy. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.